Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the another session of decimal number. Last session we have done addition and subtraction of decimals, but today what we will do word problems in addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Now how you deal with the addition and subtraction problems of decimal under word problems. So here under this my first question is, from a nylon rope a piece of 1.5 meter is cut off. The length of the remaining rope is 2.7 meter. Yes. What was the length of the nylon rope at the beginning? It means you have to find the original length of the rope. Actually, what happened in this question? It is written that from a nylon rope a piece of 1.5 meter is cut off. If you have like this is your nylon rope, is I have cut this portion like 1.5 meter, I cut this one, so whatever left is 2.7 meter. So you have to find the total length of the rope. In this case, first whatever you do, total length will be, you have to add both the parts. So first you have to write a piece of rope, a piece of rope cut off. So what is 1.5 meter? That was 1.5 meter. Now length of the remaining rope. Length of remaining rope. So what is left? 2.7 meter. Now here it means you have to add these two ones. First, before adding, you check whether it is like decimal or not. If it is not like, make it a like by adding 0. Okay, so here if these are both like decimal, we place under the position, like here ones, tens or hundred. 1.5, next is 2.7, then you add this one. 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 is 4. It means my answer is 4.2 meter. So it means total length of the rope, total length, when you have to find, you have to add 1.5 plus 2.7 meter. So that gives me 4.2 meter. So that is the total length of the rope. Now my next question is, in a relay race, you very well know that what is relay race, because in sports, whatever like 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter, that we call it a relay race. In a relay race, Mukesh hooped 1.1 meter from the starting line. Dinesh hooped a distance of 0.85 meter. How far did they hoop in all? You have to find the total distance covered by both the person. Mukesh hooped, covered the distance 1.1 meter, but Dinesh covered the distance 0.85 meter. Now you have to find what is the total distance hooped by both. First of all, we write distance. How much distance hooped by Mukesh? Distance hooped by Mukesh. So that is 1.1 meter. Now distance hooped by Dinesh. Distance hooped by Dinesh. So how much distance hooped by Dinesh is 0.85 meter. Okay, now total distance. Distance hooped by both. Total distance, how much total distance covered by both? What will you do? You add 1.1 plus 0.85 meter. Condition is that we see convert into a like decimals and arrange in ones, tens and hundred place. Like 1.1 here, 0.85. So here if any number is like, we consider it 0. If you now add this one, this is 5, 8 plus 1, 9 and 1.95 meter. It means total distance hooped by both of them is 1.95 meter. My next question is, a bottle has 1.46 liter of water. Whatever bottle is, like here this bottle is there, total liquid is in it 1.46 liter. Bhanu drinks 0.55 liter of water from it. In a water bottle, if Bhanu drink, it means finish, 0.55 liter, how much water is left in the bottle? Generally in summer days, you have water bottle with you always. Okay, so in your home there is some quantities written on the water bottle. Okay, so suppose you fix that, okay, in this hour I have to drink this much water. So whatever water is left, that you have to find in this way. So that is the meaning of this question. If one water bottle, there is a 1.46 liter of water is there, if 0.55 liter will be removed or drink by someone, so whatever water is left, in that case we subtract 0.55 from 1.46. So first we write what was the water in the bottle. Water in the bottle. So what was water in the bottle is 1.46 liter at the starting. Then Bhanu drunk. How much Bhanu drunk? Bhanu drunk, or water drunk by Bhanu, or Bhanu drunk, how much water Bhanu drunk, or you can write water drunk by Bhanu. You can write both the lines. Bhanu drunk, how much Bhanu drunk? 0.55 liters. Now water left in bottle. Water left in the bottle. So that means you have to subtract 0.55 from 1.46 liter of water minus 0.55 liter. So you arrange in a ones, tens and thousand, one tens and hundred place, like 1.46 and here 0.55. So I make it a separate by this line. Now you have to subtract this one. 6 minus 5 gives me 1. This is 4, this is 5. The downward number is bigger, we carry this one here. This become 14 and what is left it here? 0. 14 minus 5 gives me 9. That is 0.91 liter. So that means how much water left in the water bottle is 0.91 liter. Another question in this, subtract the sum of 48.632 and 18.960 from 114.287. It means these two numbers first you have to add. After adding, whatever answer you get, you subtract from this. Now you arrange this in, first I will check, is there a like decimals? Yes, there are 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places and 3 decimal places. All are like decimals. First we arrange according to the position. Here I want to add this one, so I write it here. 48.632 ones, tens, tenth, hundred or thousand, because there was 3 decimal places. Now here 18.960. So that both number you have to add. Now here next number, whatever you answer get it here, that should be subtracted from here. It is 10 ones, but there are 3 digits before the decimal, so it means ones, 10 or hundreds. That also should be added in this. 1, 1, 4, decimal, 10th place is 2, 100 places 8 and 1000 places 7. So whatever answer you get, you have to subtract it from this. When you are going to add, that gives me 2, 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 9 15, 1 carry, 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 gives me decimal in place of same decimal, 17, again 1 carry, so that gives me 67.592. So that number we have to subtract from this one, like 67.592. So here I am going to subtract. So whatever missing number is, I covered with the 0. Now 7 minus 2 give me 5. Now here 8 is lesser than 9. So what I will do, I will carry from the next number. Like here it becomes 18. So what is left here? That is 1. 18 minus 9 gives me 9. Now here 1 is left. So I will carry from another number. Like here there becomes 3 and 1 is carry here. 11 minus 5 give me 6. Now here 3 is again less than 7. So I carry 1 from here, and here what is left is 0. Now here 13 minus 7 gives me 6, and 10 I again carry. Here it is left 0 and 1 is carry here. 10 minus 6 give me 4. So that is my answer. 46.695 is my answer. So these are the some word problems we have done today. According to that, I give some word problems to you as a homework. So before doing the homework, I am going to explain your word problems, what you have done your homework. First question is, I just explain, but you have to do yourself. I just send you the question and answer, but you have to solve yourself. I just give you understanding of your statement right now. The sum of two numbers is 15.84, and if one of them is 8.4, find the other number. It means if you have two numbers is given to you, addition of both the number is 15.84, and among those numbers, if one number is given to you 8.4, so what will be the second number? So what you do, you subtract 8.4 from 15.84, gives you 7.4. Next number is, what number added to 4.78 gives 12.87? It means same question is same as your first question, but form of the statement is changed. Like here, sum of two number is 12.87 again, and if one number is 4.78, so what will be the second one number? Simply you have to subtract 4.78 from 12.87. That gives you answer 8.09. What number should be subtracted from 48 to get 24.879? Question is same, whatever first second question is there, but form is changed. So same thing is there. Sum of two numbers is 24.879 and one number is 48. So what number should be subtracted from this number to get 24.879? It means any number you have to subtract from 48, you have to get the answer 24.879. So what you will do, in this case 48 is bigger one, 24.879 is one of the number from two numbers. Okay, so you have to subtract 24.879 from 48, so that gives you 23.121. Next is, what is the difference between these two numbers? You have to keep bigger one number at the top position and lower one number as downward position. Subtract this, gives you 7.90. But remember, before subtraction there must be a like decimal numbers before subtraction. Now I have further two word problems. Anil bought 2.3 kg of fruits, 8 kg of vegetables and 500 gram of dry fruits. Find the total weight what Anil bought from the market total. But here if you look at this, I know that by reading this statement I have to add all the numbers, but condition is that unit should be same. Here it is 2.3 kg, here is 8 kg and here is 500 gram. So before adding you have to change this 500 gram into kilogram. So if you convert gram into kilograms, so that means you have to divide by 1000 gram to make it a 1 kilogram, because 1 gram is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilogram, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So when you want to convert gram to kilogram, so you have to divide by 1000. So 500 divided by 1000 gives you 0.5 kilogram. After that you have to add all the numbers by placing in the particular position. Make it before addition you have to convert into like decimals. then arrange in the proper place in the table and add them. Next is, that gives you answer 10.8 kg. Next is, a bag contains 35.80 kg of salt. The weight of the empty bag is 0.825 kg. What is the weight of the bag with the salt? So it means if you have one empty bag is there, already bag weight is 0.825. If you add in this weight 35.80 kg of salt, so what will be the total weight of the bag? In that case, you have to add two numbers. 35.80 0.825 gives you 36.625 kg is the total weight of the bag. Hope you will understand the word problems very well and do your assignment very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.